Hey guys, thanks for stopping in. When I was at the Dollar Tree the other day, I happened to see these little 7-inch pizza crusts. And you get 2 for $1, so I figured I'd buy a pack and try them out. And I already tried one earlier and it was actually pretty decent. So let's take the other one and make a pizza. Alright, so you get 2 of these little Camilo's pizza crusts for $1. Perfect size for the toaster oven. I couldn't find any spaghetti sauce, or any pizza sauce rather, in the cupboard, so I'm just using spaghetti sauce. That works. It's not as good as pizza sauce, but it works. I have some shredded cheddar cheese, some shredded Mexican cheese, some pepperoni, and some turkey kielbasa. So let me cut up some of that turkey kielbasa, and then we'll put this pizza together real quick. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees. Now we'll just get this in there for about 10 minutes or so. It's been about 10 minutes, so let's check on this. That looks good to me. Let's get it out of there. I cut this thing with the pizza cutter and I put a little Parmesan cheese on top, so let's grab a bite and see how it is. For a 50-cent pizza crust, this is actually pretty good. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll talk to you next time.